we're going to learn about the algorithms in Python. The last time, for the ones that watched my video, we did the coding. This time I'm going to do the coding again. The same coding, right? But I have a picture to explain you more properly. So the topic's algorithms. Now we're gonna do sorting later, basic sorting and then bubble sorting. We haven't talked about this yet. But in searching which we're doing right now. We're not doing binary searching, we'll do this next topic. But right now we're doing linear searching. Okay? Yeah. So linear searching. Linear searching, what does this mean basically? Linear searching is basically linear basically means a line. Now linear searching means what? Let's say I have a list like numbers of 2, 3, 4. What am I doing? 4 and 1. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is let's say I search for, so I have a variable target, so I say t. Now I'm searching for 1. Now on my variable target, this is how the code is gonna work like. So t, let's just say, so this is to variable target, which is 1. Does it match with 2? Nope, it doesn't. Then 2? Okay, let's go by this. The first value of I is 2, so nope. Second value of I is 2, so does it match with 1? Nope. The third value of I is what? 3. Right? So does it match with 1? Nope. The fourth value of I is 4. Does it match with 1? Nope. The last value of I is 1. Does it match with 1? Yes. So it's going to say target is found. Okay? Target is found. Now, let me clear all this up. That's what the linear searching is. Let's see, let's make a shorter list. Okay, guys? So let's do 1. I clear my drawing. That's too bad. 1, 3, 4. Now if I want to search for 2, let's see. The first value of I. Does 2 match with 1? Nope. Nope. 2 match with 3? Nope. Does 2 match with 4? No. So we'll say target is not found. That's how the linear searching today we're gonna do for the ones that didn't watch my video the last time. This is what we're gonna do in the linear searching. This is not the code, right? But I'll show you. Let's go here. Let's clear all drawing in the first place. Now let's go. Let's do the real code. So, yeah, for the real code. So for the real code, what we're gonna do is, anyways, let's do the code. Now we have to make an empty list. This is easy. I mean, a list. This is easy. List 1, square bracket. So let's say I want to do numbers. Numbers equals to int bracket input bracket quotation marks enter how control C. Yeah. How many numbers you want. Okay, what am I doing today? Yeah, good. Now, for the ones that watch my video like so much times, this is easy. By the way, we couldn't get to 30,000 subscribers, but my brother's birthday is in just one day. You guys have to subscribe, and let's at least make it to 29,100 subscribers. Please, guys, start subscribing. For iron range numbers, all we have to do, okay, is number equals to int, bracket input, bracket code. What's wrong with me today? Bracket quotation marks, enter your number. That's exactly what we have to do. Is list one dot append. What am I doing? Append number. Okay, now I just have to print list one. Okay, so print list one. Great. List one. Oh, great. List one. Okay, at least we did it. Now, this is where the real coding starts. We do target now. Target equals to bracket input, bracket quotation marks, enter the number you want to search for. Okay, we do that. Now all we have to do is now here. Here's where the real coding actually starts. For in list one, if I equals to target, all you have to do is oh yes, you also have to make a variable found to also search. You'll see why. Here's now found equals to one break. Now we don't have to use break, but we're using break because the program goes even faster. Okay, so let's do the code. If found equals to one, right? This is like flat, okay? Print target is found. Else print target is not found. Oh, what happened to me? Now let's run the code. I don't know what happened. Oh, where is it? On here. Let's go then. Exactly. Let's say 3, 12, 13, 14, 18. If I say 13, target's not found. Now if I say 5 numbers, 10, 28, 29, 30, 56. If I say 36, no, 56, target is found. See that? It's like you searching here and you search for anything, like Afner or whatever, okay? It's like this. But because this is not basic algorithms, okay? We're gonna go with advanced algorithms later in the video because this is just the beginning. We have just started this, okay? I can do it again. Like 2 numbers, blah, blah. Say this. See? Targets found. Blah, blah. I say this. I say that. I say this. See? Blah. Oh. Blah, blah. I say that. I say this. And I say that. See? Targets not. This is how the code works. So thank everyone for listening about my video about algorithms. Okay? You guys have to subscribe every video. Subscribe as much as you can, guys. Please. If you're watching this video, you have to subscribe. Please subscribe, okay? I hope you like this video and bye.